लाइव हेलो एवरीवन हेलो कृति हेलो श्वेता मैम हेलो राजेश्वरी मैम टुडे वी आर मेकिंग अ कैनवस पेंटिंग हेलो काव्या हेलो आशा For this canvas painting, we will be needing a canvas roll, canvas or canvas sheet, whatever is convenient to you all. Then we will be needing an acrylic kit. Neon colors are completely optional. If you want, you can, and if you don't want to use it, it is completely okay. In this article, I just used 3 colors. That is the Brill color, black and white. I have traced my article on the fine art canvas sheet and I have attached it with the masking tape. This is deep brill color and today I will be using mauve, white, black and a bit of deep brill. These are the 4 shades which we need. And of course our brushes. Without wasting time, we should start our article. People will join side by side. I am taking flat brush number 3. I have opened my white color and the deep brill color. I have taken white color in my brush and I have started from here. Till halfway I have done white. I have taken a tinge of color just in the starting of the brush. I hope you can see. And from the starting, I'm just merging it with a white color. Creating a light pink tone. I'm just giving a light pink tone. Now again I'm taking white. And I'm doing on the rest of the bulb. Any questions till here? I'm taking this mauve color. You can take any color of your choice. Just make sure that the color is inside the bulb only. Now we need to blend this from here. I'm cleaning my brush and then I'm blending both the colors. The stroke should not be visible. You should blend it properly so that the stroke should not get visible. See, this is how the strokes are completely blended. They are not visible at all. Now we will move towards our next step. In this I have given the dots with white, but in this one, the article which I am doing, I want to create a starry night. That is why I am giving the strokes with golden color. I am taking a completely rough brush. See how rough it is? I am dipping my brush in golden color. Just removing the excess color. and now I am spraying it. When it will dry, it will give a shimmery effect. You can do this effect with the help of a toothbrush also. Just make sure that it comes between the bulb only. You can create this effect with a toothbrush, a used toothbrush. This is enough. Just wash your brush. Hello Deepa ma'am. Now what I am doing, I am taking a broad brush. You can use the brush according to your canvas sheet. I am comfortable with this number. This is number 6. If you are new, you can take a number 3 or number 4. Like this is number 3, but I am convenient with this. So I am taking this brush. Deepa ma'am, till now what we have done is I have traced the bulb. Then I have painted half the portion with white color. Then I have taken a tinge of color, deep brill color, which is available in our kit. And I have blended half, I have done half of deep brill color. Then I have used mauve color. This is, this is not mauve, this is violet color, number 25. And I have blended it. Then with a rough brush, like this, I have dipped it in golden color and I have given the spray painting on the inner side of the bulb. Now comes the next step. I am dipping the brush in white color and I am starting from here. Kavya, with toothbrush also, you have to dip the toothbrush in the color and then you need to spray like this. I'll show you, just wait. Just wait, I'll get a toothbrush, I'll show you. Hello Sushma ma'am. See Kavya, this is a toothbrush. With the help of a brush, put some color here. Because this is a fresh brush, so I am not putting any color on this. With the help of a brush, you can put the color here and then just spray like this. In this way, you will get these kind of dots. Okay? I'm creating a half boundary of the bulb. Because if the color will dry, then it will not merge properly. This is not a very big article, you can do it side by side also. And color is completely your choice. I am taking mauve color and starting from the corners. Now I am moving towards the inner side and I am blending. I am removing the excess color from my brush. See, whatever extra is coming into my brush, I am removing it like this, so that it is blended properly. Wherever you find that the brush is dry, just dip it with water and then continue your work. My volume is low. Is it okay now? I'm starting from the other side now. First I am creating the rough strokes to cover the area. Then I will start blending. I am cleaning my brush completely and I am taking another brush. I am not dipping it in water, I am directly using it. Because this blending is very necessary. I am giving round strokes now. Earlier I was doing like this because I wanted to fill the color. Now I am creating the round strokes. My canvas is still wet. You have to do all these things when your canvas is wet. If your canvas becomes dry, then you cannot blend the color. want to learn, because I have to plan my workshops for December, so I'll take the other articles into consideration then. I'm having color in my brush and cleaning it again. Worldly I will definitely take it, Mama. I'm blending this in round. You need to blend it into circular way. You have to create the circular strokes. Realistic gem out of molded, we need glass colors for that. I'll be taking glass color session also because I have not taken it. See, we have finished with our blending. The golden color which I have done is yet wet. So, filhal I will not touch it. Now I am taking the black color. Hello Divyata ma'am. You can do it once your canvas is dry. Then do the next step. Take a small brush. My black color was a little thick, so I've mixed a drop of water in it. Kavya, creating realistic gem is with the glass colors. Abhi though I cannot tell you right now how to do it. I'll tell you on personal, or I'll take a session in which I'll use them, so that you can learn it. I'm creating the circles in which this bulb was hanging. This is quite a simple pic, yet it is quite attractive. A painting of Santa. Okay. I was planning something else for Christmas. We have to take a circle out here to give the realistic look of the bulb. then fill it. Whenever you use black color or any other color and you want to fill it, first create the boundary of that object and then fill it. This is the way how we generally do. Like I have created this boundary. My surface is still wet. Once I created this boundary, now I am filling it. This is brush number 1. I'm cleaning my brush. And when my color is wet, I'm dipping it in white color and I'm just creating like this to give the realistic effect. This is called the 3D effect also. And you have to do this when the color is wet. We are differentiating the layers of the bulb through this. Cleaning my brush again as it has white in it because I want to continue with black color. Ma'am, here I have used pink color. It is not pink, it is Deepa ma'am, I'm telling you, this is not pink actually, this is deep red color. And rest of the article I have done with violet color. Now I am creating the shape of the bulb, giving the boundary. The tracing of this article I have already shared in our group. If anyone has left that message, they can ask me on personal, I'll share again. I'm giving a broad boundary, not a thin one. Now what I am doing, I have to create the mountains. So in a zigzag way or any way you want, I am just creating the line. I'm doing it in 1/3 of the portion. Now I'm filling this portion. We have to fill this area with the black color. As if these are mountains. Now what I am doing is, I am creating a straight line where I wanted to give the trees. I'm washing my brush. I want this kind of a brush. Now, like this brush, it has a clean bristles. I don't need this kind of brush now. I want a brush which has all the bristles has. It is not a clean brush. It is actually a useless brush, but in these kind of activities, these kind of brushes are used. I am dipping it in the black color. Now I am creating the trees pattern. How to create the trees pattern? I am starting from here and I am giving a V. I am just dabbing. Don't take excess color. Do it with a dab effect. You don't want anything prominent. I'm doing it reverse V. From upwards from down, I'm just moving my brush in the V direction, inverted V, and I'm making the leaves. Now this line I'm merging, leaves are merging with the long tree. This brush is completely, I've kept this brush for these kind of activities only. My golden color is yet, it has not dried. where I created the leaves. What we can do is we can create birds also here, little birds. As if they are flying in the sky. Small bee. I think that will be enough. Now I'm taking some white color in my old brush. And where I have given the leaves, what I am doing is I am just applying a bit of white color to give the snowy effect, as if the cheese has snow on it. Thank you, Tanishka. I'm creating this white color to give the snow effect on the trees, to create the winters as the winters are approaching. If you want to add on this, you can add an animal also, a reindeer or anything you can create. That is your imagination. If you want to add any color, any other thing in this, we are finished with our article. I'll just remove the masking tape and show you. Hello, Gurpreet ma'am. This is the article we have done today. And this was on the flyer. I hope you will submit the article in 2 to 3 days. That's what I generally give the time, 2 to 3 days to finish the article. Now we'll meet in December with some new and exciting articles. Till then, bye bye. Ma'am, please tell about pink color. Ma'am, this is not pink color. This is deep brill color which is available in the kit. I'll just show you. what I've done, is to create this shade, this is not pink color. What I've done is I've just applied white color like this. Suppose it is the bulb. Suppose this is the bulb. I've done halfway white. Then I've taken just a little color on the brush and I've started from here. And I've blended it till the middle to give this pinky effect. It is actually not pink. And then I've taken some white more. I've taken violet color in the same brush. I've not washed my brush. This is just a rough sheet to show you how I've done it. And now I've started blending it. This way I've created. Just make sure that you blend it properly because no lines should be visible. This is the way I've done it. I hope you have understood, Deepaman. Okay. So this is the article. Hope you enjoyed today's session. I've received very nice submissions for the lady, which we had done in the previous class. Hope to receive good submissions for this also. Thank you everyone for joining the session. Now we'll be meeting in December for some new exciting workshops. Thank you.